Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change the Windows password. So let's begin the video. Open the Start menu and then click on Settings. Now from here, go to Accounts and from the list of options, click on Sign In Options. Here under Manage how you sign into your device, click on Password. To change your password, click on Change. Now you have to enter your current password. Then click on Next. Now you can change your password. Enter the new password, then confirm it. Put a password hint and then click on Next and finish. Your password is now updated. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.